Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're locked out. Start now. First, make sure the battery is above 50% and the phone is online. This avoids interruptions. Try quick non-destructive options. Fingerprint, smart lock, or a simple PIN attempt. Don't waste many tries. If those fail, prepare your Google account credentials and accept that a factory reset will erase local data. Once you've confirmed credentials and power, choose whether to use Google Find My Device or the device's recovery mode as the immediate reset method. Now perform the reset. If the phone is online and linked to your Google account, go to Find My Device, sign in, pick the device, and choose Erase Device. This triggers a remote factory reset. If offline or remote isn't possible, power off, then boot into recovery with the correct button combo for your model, commonly volume down plus power or volume up plus power. In recovery, use volume keys to select wipe data/factory reset and power to confirm. Make sure you read prompts. This permanently erases local files. Once the reset completes, the phone restarts to the setup wizard. Follow on-screen steps, sign into the same Google account previously linked to the device to pass factory reset protection. This is why you prepared those credentials. After signing in, restore apps and settings from Google Backup if available, and reconfigure screen lock. If you encounter FRP lock or verification fails, don't panic, contact the device maker or an authorized service center with proof of purchase. They can help unlock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.